So guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, go and smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So basically, we have made a lot of videos around Freebyz platform, and in this video we're going to be walking you through how to upgrade your account using your wallet balance. So using your wallet balance actually means like upgrading your account based on the people that you refer to join Freebiz platform, and of course they have actually upgraded their account. So with that, you'll be able to have some money in your wallet balance, and from there you can actually use it to upgrade your account. So basically, we actually find it so difficult to upgrade the account using the wallet balance directly when we have two referrals to the platform. Then we reach out to the support through the email, so we have some discussions, and then we end up messaging them, and they send us a direct link. And at the end of the day, the direct link actually worked better, and we are able to upgrade our account on Freebiz platform. And then with this, I believe we'll have access to more features of a Freebiz platform, and also we will be able to apply for more jobs. And scrolling down, you also have how to withdraw your money. Basically, we refer 47 people to join Freebiz platform using our website, and also using this YouTube channel. We are able to refer 27 people, and then 4 people are able to register and upgrade their account using our referral link. So that was how we actually get enough money on our account in order to upgrade our Freebiz account actually. So we're trying to make sure we have everything for you so that you'll be able to understand how Freebiz platform works, and also how to upgrade your account. So basically, if you have enough money in your wallet balance, probably you refer people to join the platform, and they are able to upgrade their own account for 500 naira only per each person, and then you will have access to money, or to make 500 naira per referral on your own account. So, and then with that, after upgrading, you'll be able to see more offers, which of course you can actually apply for, and then be able to make more money. So you can see these are new offer, which might be you might not have access to it on a free account. So but then after you have upgraded your account, you'll be able to have access to all these new features and new jobs, which of course you can actually apply for in order to make money on Freebiz platform. And we also have some discussion about the support of this platform, and I think the response was actually great. So and with the email we also get, they say the withdrawal is on a weekly basis, and then it's on Friday. So I will try to wait till that time and see if we would have access to withdraw on Monday or Friday. Sorry, Friday, this coming Friday. So I guess it's almost near, just 4 to 3 days thereabout. Then we'll have access to upgrade our Freebiz account. Then we can run 1 or 2 on this platform, and then we'll also make a new video about how the withdrawal goes, and then how long does it take to receive the payment through our bank. So this is what we actually want to share with you in this video, and then I'm trying to do this. Probably we will be able to run this transfer, but then let me see this one as well. So you can now fund your wallet via card and bank transfer. Once wallet top up is successful, click on the button below to verify your account. So this is if you want to fund your account wallet actually. So let's see for withdrawal request. Let's check on the withdrawal. So let's see how this looks like. Then let's check. Okay, note withdrawal are made every Friday of the week. Only verified user can withdraw. So verified user or withdrawal, or upgraded user, I guess. So you can put in everything here. So let's try 960 and let's see withdraw fund to see how it looks like, so we can know what to expect when we are trying to withdraw, or probably we'll be able to withdraw the money now, and then the payment will roll out on the on Friday, I guess. So that's it. So I think we are also verified. You can see here. So that's most about this freebies platform. So, but if you have any other question, you can let us know through the comment section below. And if you have not upgraded your account or sign up on this platform, you can also use the link in the description of this video below to upgrade or sign up on freebies platform. So if you have any other question, you can also let us know through the comment section below. I will try as much as possible to provide you answer to your request. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.